In this video, I am going to share chemistry MCQs for undergraduate programs entry test in Syed University of Engineering and Technology 2024. In previous videos, I have already shared English MCQs, general knowledge MCQs, and other subjects MCQs. You may also watch these all videos on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel, Syed University of Engineering and Technology playlist. Question number 1. PV is equal to nRT, where R is known as A. Solution constant, B. Equilibrium, C. Rate constant, D. Gas constant. And the correct answer is D. Gas constant. Question number 2. Water molecule contains dash atoms, A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. And the correct answer is C. 3. Question number 3. The oxidation number of O in CO2 is A1, B2, C minus 2, D3. And the correct answer is C minus 2. Question number 4. The valence of C is A1, B2, C3, D4. And the correct answer is D4. Question number 5. Which element can't be analyzed directly by combustion analysis? A. Sulfur, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon, D. Hydrogen. And the correct answer is B. Oxygen. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok, Facebook and WhatsApp. You may watch all videos of Syed University of Engineering and Technology on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel playlist in Syed University of Engineering and Technology Entry Test Preparation 2024.